This week in phonics, we have been focusing on inflected endings. So here for our core enhancement chart, you have a chance to practice those inflected endings up here in the orange. And then you have a chance to practice reading words with inflected endings with the blue. The green are just bonus words to practice, and the red is a sentence to read. So remember, please go across the top and say the sounds or the inflected endings like this: ing, ed, s, est. Remember that ed can make a t sound, a d sound, or an ed sound. So on this one I said ed, so this one I could say d if I wanted. Est. When you're reading the words and sounding them out, remember to start at the beginning. You can look for the base word. So like here, this base word is long, and then you can add the inflected ending, like est. So longest. When you're done with this slide, go to the next one. The learning target says, I can read new words and use them in a sentence. So this says, please read each word and type a sentence using the word. So here's the word tied. So I make up a sentence with the word tied in it. Here's an example. I tied the laces on my shoes. Remember, if there's an ed on the end of a word, that means that it has already happened. So the sentence should be in the past tense. Like this word is waved. So I could say something like, yesterday I waved at my neighbor. If there's an ing on the end of the word, that means it's happening right now. Or it happens a lot. I could say something like, I like to go running every day. This word is running. Well, if there's an er on the end of the word, then that means you are comparing with that word. And that means that this base word is more than something else. This word is happier. So you could say, I am happier when I can be at school with my friends. If there's an est on the end of a word, that means the most of something. So here, the base word is nice. So nicest means the most nice out of a group. Mrs. Trailer is the nicest teacher I've ever had. Haha. Then we are back to an ing, which means happening right now or happening all the time. I like working with Mrs. King and Mrs. Cowan, for example. So when you are done reading the words and writing a sentence with the word in it, please check that your sentences have capitals at the beginning and periods at the end, and you've done your best, and then you can press the X and the blue turn-in button.